Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking the time every day to stop back. Alright, if you are new here, I want to welcome everybody that is new here. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you enjoy my content that I bring. I've been trying to do a couple vlogs, showing you what my day looks like around here, and things like that. So normally I do Dollar Tree hauls every Wednesday, but I did skip this Wednesday, and there's a reason why, and I'll tell you guys in a couple minutes. Alright, so last week I did a vlog, and then I showed you what I do in the morning, like my pet care in the morning, and that's just some of it, not all of it. And I had to actually shut comments off on my video, and I was very upset about that. The second thing is, like, I was telling everybody like how I felt like I have been in this really awful funk lately, and I got some really good tips, but then also I got like a few people that jumped on a bandwagon of just doing this non-stop criticism of everything that I do. And it was, I know when we put ourselves out there that we're putting ourselves out there, but if somebody's telling you that they're kind of in a funk and they're not feeling right about things, and all of a sudden you have people just putting them down non-stop, like 10 comments in a row, I did shut off comments because of it. I don't think that is the way to go about things, is to tell people everything that they're doing wrong when they already feel like crap. You know, I don't understand that kind of logic. I don't understand why people would actually do that. You know, like, depression is a serious thing. It's a very serious thing, and it's a quiet thing. So there's a lot of people that are not quite ready to say that they are depressed, and when they do say things to people, you don't expect somebody to hear that somebody doesn't feel right and they're in a funk to just automatically go off on them and tell them everything that they did or they think that they did wrong because they don't live the lifestyle that you live. You know? So, like, for me, I do rescue cats. People do bring me injured and sick cats in the whole neighborhood because they know that I do. And also I find homes for a lot of them. There's ones that I don't even show you because they don't stay here long enough. So, you know, and that's up to Stefano and I, if we can afford to feed them and take them to the vet, because you do know we take them to the vet. The boys get fixed so that there's no more kitten problems. You know, so, you know, and then I have 3 dogs also that aren't always in my pictures, but they're here, and I've had all my animals. Stormy is going to be 15 years old. Snowflake is going to be 14 years old. My dog Sassy is going to be 15 years old this September, and my other dogs are 11 years old. So it's not like we get things and just hoard them and then get rid of them. We take care of them. So I was kind of offended about some of the things that were said, but I understand I put myself out there. So I talked to a whole bunch of friends. Nancy, thank you so much. Nancy, you know who you are. Thank you so much for sitting and talking with me. And my friend Gigi, thank you, Gigi, for listening to me, because it was very hurtful. I have to tell you how hurtful it was, and it wasn't pleasurable to read some of those comments. It kind of was really awful. And let me explain this one more time. Yes, Stormy's sitting down here. Let me explain one more time about why Stefano isn't living with me. It is because his father has cancer. His mother doesn't drive. She's in her 70s and she doesn't drive. So Stefano had to go down there to Pennsylvania to take care of his mom and dad. That's why he's there. And then this pandemic happened. And that's why he can't come to Maine, because we have these rules that if you come from another state, you have to stay here 14 days. Well, he can't do that. So that's why I haven't seen him. And that's why I've only seen him 4 days and 4 months, because he was only able to come up one time, and then this pandemic happened and everything changed. So I am kind of like stuck here trying to sort things out. I finally got somebody to cut my grass. I'm so excited about that. But you know, like, I'm figuring out things as I go. So yeah, I do kind of get in like little moods and little, you know, depressive states. You know what I mean? Like, so I do. So okay guys, so I'm over my little state. I just wanted to actually start a conversation with all of you guys that watch me all the time. Let me know what you guys do to get out of your funk. Let me know that you're in a funk, how you're actually doing. That's all I wanted to do, was start a conversation. I didn't exactly think that like 10 to 20 people were going to pick up on a conversation and just roll with it and just keep saying negative things. So it was just disheartening, actually, because these were people I've never seen on my channel ever leave a comment. And then of course you get to look up to see if they're even subscribed to you, and none of them were. It was like a chain reaction to we're going to just give it to this person because we feel like it. And that, to me, that wasn't really fair. So whatever, I'm over it. You know, I just turned off comments, you know, because I didn't want it to continue. Because, you know, you could take 300 unbelievably great comments, you know, but when you're in a state like that, a mood like that, that one person can actually damage someone. And that, to me, is really unfair. I don't know how people put up with stuff like that. I really don't. It will wear you down and get to you. Believe me, it happened to me a couple years ago. And they were people I knew. And, you know, it was awful. It was the worst thing that ever happened to me. I almost quit YouTube because of it, because it was so awful. But anyway, 6 minutes. I'm sorry about that. Here's Stormy. She's going to say hello. Hi, Storms. All right, let me get to some new items at the Dollar Tree. And this caught me, like, just by surprise. Excuse me, because I didn't take it out. This caught me off guard. It doesn't have a label on it, so I can't tell you anything about it. But isn't that the cutest little thing? That'll go nice in my kitchen. So it's really cute. It says our farmhouse. That's the only one I saw. It was just sitting there all by itself. So I picked that up. Isn't that cute? That is like really, really cute. I'm going to probably propagate a plant in that. And this is the other thing, this bottle. I do like these unusual bottles because I like to propagate my plants in them, and I love to watch the root system grow. So I did get it for this, and this is plastic, but this is glass. So, you know, but these are cute. They had starfish and something else. I'll put the picture right here of it. So, but very, very cute. I like that. Super, super cute. And then also new at my Dollar Tree were these papers. So if you're a crafter, card maker, like, look at these cool little paper packs. I've never seen them before. They have 200 grams of paper in them, but they had some really different papers. Look at those papers. So, and they got some glittery paper. So, I mean, this was really pretty cool. So, here. I want to actually see this one because I want to see that paper. So, I mean, that's really pretty cool. So, let me just see what kind of paper. I'm actually excited about that. So, you got some glitter. And this is like, oh, that's really cool paper. That's really cool. And then this. That's really cool. I mean, that was really neat. I got it for, oh, look at this paper. It's like a foil. Isn't that cool? So, yeah. And you got all different kinds. Oh, this is really neat looking. Look at that. That looks really pretty cool. So, yeah, you got a whole bunch of different papers. And we use scraps. You could always use scraps, especially when you're paper piecing stuff. You know, that will always help. But look at that. That's a nice big piece. So, and it's glittery on this side. Oh, it's glittery on both sides. So you got a couple pieces of that. Some dark maroon pieces. And then it looks like some green pieces. So, oh yeah, I'm really happy with that. And then in here, there's foil. So, some foil. And so, that's pretty cool. So yeah, and there's textured paper. I mean, that is really, really cool. Like, so that's brand new. So if you're a card maker or, you know, a crafter, you'll really, really like that. So again, new at my Dollar Tree was this brush cleaning pot. Now this is gonna come in really handy, especially for my reborning and for my watercoloring. And you open it up, your brushes go in there, the water goes in the bottom, or the cleaner goes in the bottom. And then, you know, that's really cool. So I picked up one of them, and let's see. I was able to get some of these squares, fat quarters. So I got 2 of them. So, you know, I don't know what the deal is with the masks. Are we wearing them or not wearing? I don't know. So, and then here I saw this again. I'm gonna keep saying her name. Erica. I saw Erica pick these up, and they're just paper clips. Aren't they cute? Pom-poms and little thingy here's. What are these called? Tassels? Can't think. So that's cute. And I got a cool little pen. I'm actually doing some friend mail, so I got some of these things for friend mail. Some little clips because it is hotter than anything here in Maine. It's so hot. It's crazy. So if you hear my fan, I apologize, but it's too hot. I can't turn it off. My dogs are just way too hot. So Stefano, when he comes, he'll be able to put my air conditioner in, but not right now because he's not here. So these little clips, I love them. They're small. And then I found this, which was really cute, and this is gem mesh. So I got this, and it's a red one. They had different colors. They had red and orange, blue and green. So they had all different. If I took the picture, I'll put it here. And then I got some washi tape with little llamas. Cute. So I get most of my stuff is usually for crafting, guys. You know, I'm sorry about that. And I did like this Blackberry bubbly, so I got another can of it, but it's a big, huge can. So I did like that. So it has to be really, really cold. So, and then I did pick up this cup, and it says my favorite person is my cat. And I love how it's on both sides. So I really like that. It's a small one, so this will be for tea. But, you know, microwave safe and dishwasher safe, and Greenbrier International, of course, made in China. So isn't that cute? Love that. And then I just got some more of the Simply Clean wipes, fragrance free. I use these to clean my my stamps when I'm stamping for cards and stuff. So there's 40 in there, not bad for $1. And then I got these blue light glasses. Now I got these before, but they were readers. But these ones are blue light blockers, and they're just the glass part. They're not for prescription. This way I can wear them when I'm watching TV and it blocks out the blue light, or when I'm on my computer. And then I found this scarf, and this is an infinity scarf. They're the only ones I really like. Nice and thin, 4th of July. I missed the Memorial Day one, but so, yeah, can wear that. And then I got some of my favorite, I got some more of this Crafter Square yarn here. So it's the sparkly yarn. 2 of them are for friend mail. They're going for friend mail, but I really, really love the green. So I'm keeping the green because I really like the green. And that is that, guys. So I apologize for that like little rant, kind of like just explaining, but I really didn't expect my video to go that way, in that direction. And that's what makes me kind of like not want to do vlogs and things, because I'm telling you guys the truth, and I know a lot of you understand what I meant. But I really didn't need people like just putting every single thing down. You know, if you don't know this, I live in a mobile home. My mobile home has 1 closet. 1. So, you know, I kind of cram as much of my stuff in a little area. That way I don't have to walk back and forth. And, you know, I'm right in my little living room all by myself. My husband's not here. When Stefano's here, I clean it up because he doesn't really craft, right? So, you know, I do what I can with the limited space that I have. You know, so, you know, it's not your cup of tea. That's okay. I understand that. You know, it's not always my cup of tea. We moved from a 3-bedroom house where I had my own crafting room, to this little thing where I don't have a crafting room. You know, so, you know, it got like, maybe I have too much stuff. I don't know. So, but, you know, It is what it is, guys. So thank you everybody for all your patience waiting for this haul. I know it's late. It will be up on Sunday because today is Saturday. But thank you so much everybody for listening. I hope that I didn't bore you with my little complaint about what people say, what people do. I just really did not expect I should have expected it, but didn't expect it, was all the negativity, especially during this time. You know, during this time that we're all living in this weird atmosphere that we're living in right now, and the things that are going on around us, that, you know, I really just did not expect that kind of negativity, you know, about things. And then people not understanding about Stefano, why he isn't here. It's not like he's off in a rock band and he's going state to state in a rock band and he's having fun. He's working 2 jobs now, and he's taking care of elderly parents. I mean, you know, that's his life, and I support him. They're his parents, so he went and I stayed here. You know, we own our house. We own this wonderful castle of ours. We own it. So, you know, I wanted to stay here. I love living here. I really love it. So it's just what we have to do for right now until we figure out what we're going to do in our next step. All right, guys, thank you so much for listening. I apologize for rambling on and on. And thank you so much, everybody, for all the positivity that you do give me. And thank you again, Nancy and Gigi, for talking with me. And it was a pleasure speaking to both of you. I really enjoyed it. So I will see you guys all in my next video. And like I always say, somehow, some way, I'll have an amazing day. You make your day amazing. And together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Thank you so much. Mwah. Bye, guys.